Good morning, everyone, and happy Monday. It's Monday, August 4th, 2025. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Pretty nice weekend here where I'm at. Real cool temps for this time of year. However, I was fighting a major sinus infection all weekend. So it was not fun. But it's Monday. Markets are getting ready to open. New fresh month. Dow up 205, NASDAQ up 198, S&P up 36, VIX down 1.48 or 7.26%. So a little bit of a rally after the Friday sell-off. Morning, Chris. Morning, Abash. PLTR has earnings after the bell today. Not much going on in terms of news. Really, this entire week, there's a couple things, but nothing major. Got SMCI above previous day highs here. See if it can get above pre-market highs. Could be a potential long. Bell's going to ring here in about 30 seconds. And there is the bell. S&P pushing up out of the gates. Most stocks in the green, although some stocks coming down. Goog through previous day highs. Pretty good push up in the S&P, though. Got some stocks coming down, some pushing. So a little bit of two-way action here in some stocks, but the S&P and Nasdaq pushing up. Getting our second bar here now. Yeah, pretty sizable push. About 20 points almost. Yeah, SMCI ended up coming up through pre-market highs. That could be a potential long here. I'm gonna watch SMCI here a little bit. It's kind of pushed up and left me. See if it pauses or pulls back a little bit. Yeah, SMCI, when it wants to go, it wants to go. Has earnings tomorrow. No wonder everything's juiced. PLTR, I mean, it's got earnings today, so I don't usually don't trade those stocks that have that, but it's kind of pulling back to pre-market highs. Yeah, SMCI. I thought that might do that, but leaving without us. S&P appears to be trying to get back everything it lost Friday in first 30 minutes. MU pushing up past previous day highs as well. Keep an eye on that one. Could be a potential long. No big volume bars. Well, Circle's getting one, it looks like, but Circle hasn't been very good to me. So MU pulling back just a little bit here at previous day high. Jump in some MU here on the 107 calls. Filled at 214. Let's see. Let's put MU here. You get an order in. Close half at 245. So let's pull back right here. Now it's coming down a little further, but I'll just give it a chance here. Stay above it. You know, Circle getting another big volume bar already in the first minute. Microsoft pretty strong. SMCI pulling back. I just got long MU, but if you want to get long something, SMCI might be a good long now. It's pulling back to pre-market highs. Yeah, circle with another big bar. AMD pushing up. MU starting to push a little bit now. Not getting paid much, though. I'm going to go ahead and get out of half my MU here at 235. Filled at 235 to get out of half my MU. S&P in 20 minutes already at the top of the expected move. Imagine that. Get out of another MU at 255. NVIDIA pushed up through previous day high, pulling back just slightly. It's another potential long if you want to get long NVIDIA. SMCI trying to bounce back after a little pullback. It would have been another one I called out to get long. Yeah, circle still coming down. Meta pushed above previous day high, now pulled back below it. Are you going to get a pullback at all? So far, nothing but green out of S&P. SMCI looking to push through highs of day. MU pulling back a bit. MU coming all the way back down. Don't like that. Back to where I entered. Might look at getting long at Goog on this pullback here. Goog, I would trade the 195 calls. Filled at 233. So Goog really strong here. Big push up. Pausing. Kind of line in the sand is just kind of right here where it pulled back to. Close half my Goog at 260. Hopefully Goog's not at exhaustion here. Sometimes, if it has a big push up, it might be at a point where that's just as high as it's going to go. Need MU to bounce back up. Might be at a point where we start seeing some chop here now. We'll see. S&P and NASDAQ right up at highs of day. Hopefully MU and Goog have another push in them. MU, not so much. Now below where I got in. SMCI has not been able to push through highs yet. Goog trying to. Filled at 260. Close half my Goog. Close another Goog at 285. MU hasn't come down past my line in the sand, but it is below where I got in. I don't like that. So need a bounce. Filled at 285 in Goog. Nice push up in Goog. Close another Goog at 310. Goog doing what I wanted MU to do. Yeah, VIX down almost 12%. Filled at 310 in Goog. Close another goog at 335. Does it got another push in it? I'm honestly kind of surprised we've had such a big rebound so quickly after the jobs data on Friday. I mean, I thought maybe we might have a little green today. I didn't expect it to be just like straight up like this. MU trying to push back up. Goog taking a pause. That got to be cognizant of how much Goog's got left in it. I have an order in MU still at 255 to close another MU. SMCI still not able to push through highs yet. Goog pulling back a bit. Coinbase, I mean, it had a push down and then just completely rebounding. MSTR pushed through. Was that pre-market highs? MSTR pushing. Now SMCI pushing through highs finally. MU now finally trying to push for us. Let's go. Tesla through highs of day. Looks like through pre-market highs as well. Nvidia trying to get through highs of day. Looks like we still got some more upside coming. A lot of these stocks just now getting through highs of day. Hood pushing through pre-market highs. MU just struggling a bit to just get going. Still have not hit more than one profit target for MU. That's been kind of frustrating. It's just not paying. Somebody close out their MU so that it'll start ripping. Who wants to be the sacrificial lamb today? Krish? Coinbase coming up to above where it opened now. Wow. Yeah, I'm considering just taking my profits too. It's just not paying. Yeah, I'll just take my profits here. Filled at 220. Just wasn't really paying much. All right, so Goog, a little bit of a pullback here. See what happens on this next bar. I don't want to lose a ton of profits on this pullback. So I kind of use right here as my line in the sand where it's at. You know, pushed above that first pullback. I want to see it stay above it. Tesla pulling back could be a potential long right at pre-market highs. I think I'm going to get long Tesla here if it pulls back to previous day high. Good coming down now. Needs to just hold on, Good. All right, Tesla, I would trade the 315 calls. Trying to get filled in Tesla. It's kind of finally filled at 470. That was on the 315 calls, filled at 470. We'll close half at 520. Nice little pullback there. Previous pre-market highs. Filled at 520. Tesla close half. Close another at 570. So filled at 520, and Tesla will close another at 570. Goog trying to fire back up. Need Tesla to start ripping through highs of day. MSTR through highs of day. A little bit another good one. Still got an order at 335 to close another goog. Come on, Tesla. Wrong direction. Yeah, good. SMCI just has not been doing much at all. Thought it might break out, but nope. Let's get one more good push, Tesla, goog. Or are we exhausted? Goog's trying. Hood, it's ripping up. MSTR still ripping. So they've got some juice left. Let's go. Keep up with them, goog. Amazon must be still dealing with the effects of earnings. It's down through lows of day. Not much movement during that 5-minute bar. Tesla coming back down to below where I got in. That is not what I wanted to see. I need a rebound on this bar. Tesla's going bye-bye. Yeah, I'm not messing with Tesla. Filled at 440 to close out Tesla. It just simply didn't push up like I wanted it to. It may rebound, who knows? But it went above pre-market highs, then it came all the way back down below it. So forget that. What was once a nice profit ended up being a $60 winner. So Goog needs to show me something here too. S&P and NASDAQ threatening to go through highs of day, but not getting any pushing here. And Goog and Tesla still coming down. So I think I'll continue to hold my Goog here for a bit, see if it can get through highs. If it looks like it can't get through highs, I'll cut it, but otherwise I'll continue to scale out. So, but I'm gonna go ahead and jump off, not get in anything else this morning. So I will see everybody during Power Hour. Have a good one. Peace.